Good morning, this is Brian from Front Range Home Inspections. We're at a little house today, and we have a brick veneer. One thing that sometimes people don't realize is these holes in the mortar under the windows, and then again at the base of the brick veneer are weep holes, and that's to allow moisture to exit from behind the brick veneer. And so you don't want to cover those up or fill those in. Sometimes I'll have folks will put mortar or silicone in or caulk them shut, but they're meant to be open to let the air breathe from behind the brick veneer and get rid of moisture. Just a tip for today. Till next time, Brian at Front Range Home Inspections.